Hello, welcome everybody to Berlin on the Brother booth. We're here at the FESPA show, and what I would like to show you is our new machine, the Brother DTRX DTF machine, which you can see here. It's the first time worldwide that we show that machine. It will come out around about September, October, November time in Europe. What about America? I have no idea, but I have an idea about the machine. So we have an 80 centimeter DTF film, which is round about 32 inch. The machine runs with Brother printheads, Brother ink, and we have the Brother powder shaker and dryer unit. So it's a full solution machine for DTF printing. The first time Brother has something in that size. We have our Brother ink over there, CMYK and 2 white. Obviously that the machine is still not fully released. I'm unfortunately cannot say something about the final speed. What we can see here is not at the moment, but if it's running, it has an enormous speed. The people are really appreciating this machine, and it will come later on with a Brother RIP software, Brother driver. It might be connectable with several other softwares from market leaders. Honestly speaking, just follow it and you will see what comes out at the end. Thank you.